You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. If you want to learn more confusing and clarify pronunciations of more Pokemon names that are very confusing, stay tuned. The purple serpentine, or snake, let's call it. There are different ways. Many people pronounce it different ways. Ekans. Ekans, I believe, is the correct pronunciation. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Ekans? No, I think it's an S sound. It could be Ekans too, but it's Ekans. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.